Hey guys, welcome back to the meal today. What Matthew and I are doing is putting some miles on our Woodmizer EG100. We've got a bunch of 1x10 poplar that we've sawed, kiln dried, and now we're edging down to a true 1x10. We're running a set of 10-inch table saw blades on our edger. It leaves a very acceptable finish. All these boards are sawn with a Woodmizer double hard Turbo 7 saw blades. We buy those from Joe Main at Industrial Cutting Tools. Get a hold of him for all your blade needs. Guys, we appreciate you watching. Don't forget about our long form videos, and we'll see you